So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're coming for the first time, thank you for visiting, and be sure to subscribe if you find the information flawless and the content good. I can promise that I'll be posting a lot of good videos about cooking and makeup and my lifestyle and my family and stuff like that, with a lot of tips and tricks and stuff that I've learned over the years, right? So today though, I wanted to come to you guys and to talk to you about the effects of COVID-19 on our lives. I mean, this virus just came out of nowhere. Well, into China, December of last year, December of last year, and it have rooted and have changed so many persons' lives significantly, right? I'm one of those persons that are affected as well, because I'm on leave of absence from work because I work in the BPO industry, and with what is happening, the volume of calls that they're getting have decreased, so they need to downsize. So persons are losing their jobs, guys. It's not just about getting sick and dying, but other things are being affected in our lives, our regular life, our livelihood, how we make our money, how we pay our bills. Every single thing is being affected, right? So now that I'm on leave of absence for 120 days. So for 120 days, I have to figure out how I'm going to pay my bills. How do I live, or how do I feed my family, right? So there's such a big challenge with that, because at this point in time, with COVID being here and this pandemic ongoing, getting another job is difficult and will be difficult. Starting a business, it will take some time to bloom and to blossom. I mean, take me for example. I've always had my side hustles, but to get income that is going to be coming in consistently now, when you're in need of it is kind of different, because my business was already affected by COVID-19, right? Because I wasn't able to get stuff coming in. I do a lot of drop shipping, and I do a lot of I have my Instagram store, right, where I sell clothes, I sell makeup, I sell lashes, I sell hair, human hair, and so forth. And no stock was coming in from China, and that's my main supplier. That's where my manufacturers are. That's where everything is. So that put a damper on my life already. And then now, bam, COVID is now in my work life. So business life, bam, COVID. Work life, bam, COVID. I thank God though that I've not been affected through the sickness part of it, or my family have not been affected through the sickness part of it, guys. But at the end of the day, guys, we're still suffering, and there are different degrees of suffering. And I want to know, how is it that we're going to bounce back from this? Because when it is that you lose 4 months of income, right, how do you recover? You're gonna end up in debt if it is that you don't have some money put down one side to be able to take care of yourself for a while. And even probably with that money that is there, depending on the amount that it is, you're still gonna be facing a challenge. You're still gonna be having some issues with surviving. You're gonna have to make some major cuts in life, right? So guys, let me know, how are you guys coping? Are you affected as well? Have any of you guys lost your jobs? What are you doing in the meantime to make some income to survive during this pandemic and during this crisis? How do we survive COVID-19? All right, so that's the question that I'm leaving with you guys. How do we survive COVID-19? And what are some of the things that we can do to ensure that at the end of this all, then when the new normal comes along, we are ready and we are prepared? All right, So I'm moving on to another topic, right? And this is about the mirror challenge. So I went on to my friend Lexi Boo's channel, and I saw where she has a mirror challenge, right? And basically it is to go ahead and to tell what it is that you see in the mirror, the type of person that you see in the mirror when you look in the mirror, because what you see in the mirror is what you are really. And for me, guys, with all the things that I've been through in this life, I'm 36, I'm gonna be 37, and guys, I've been through a lot. For the persons who know me personally, they would know my story. For you guys who are just joining, eventually you will also learn my story as you go along the journey with me. But when I look into the mirror, I see an unbroken woman, someone that has been through so many things that is supposed to break her, supposed to change her, supposed to make her less of a woman than she is. But through resilience, through perseverance, through being a Leo, guys, I'm still unbroken, and I'm still here. I'm still fighting. No matter what is taken away from me, I'll always try my best to get more than what it was before. So I'm never phased. Even when I got the call about the leave of absence, they were like on the line saying, "Are you sure you're okay?" Because of how I sounded, because it's COVID and a lot of things have been happening, and a lot of things have been happening in the company. So it was expected, not that something that I wanted, because how am I going to survive is still the question. All these plans that I have, what's going to happen to them? But yeah, to just be able to bounce back. And that's the type of person I see in the mirror, that bounce back type of person, the person who does not give up under pressure, right? But I'm also a person who does not like to be exploited. I do not like to be underappreciated, and I do not like to be spoken to condescendingly. Understand what I'm saying? Yeah, me not deal with the attitude and the bull. Not Nicola, not this girl. But also, I'm committed. I'm a committed woman. Once it is that I go into something, I'm committed to it. I'm committed to seeing it through to the end. That's the type of person that I am, right? I'm driven, I'm focused, I'm a goal-getter, I'm independent. I don't depend on man for nothing. Nah. Girl, boys, Nick squad, like everything that I have and everything that I've gone through, I've basically done it on my own. I'm not saying that there've never been anybody there to help me along, but majority of it and the most important parts of it, I've always had to do on my own, and I've gotten used to that. So I don't need anybody to validate me. I don't need anybody to tell me how good I am or how great I am. I know how good I am. I know how great I am. I mean, I get up every day and I praise God for how great I am, because I'm the one living the life, right? You're on the outside looking in, you don't even know what is happening. You know what I'm saying? So your opinion, if it's constructive criticism, I'll take it and look into it and see how best I can fix it. But if I know that you're coming from an area of bullshit, keep your bullshit. Cool? Next, I'm a hustler. Guys, I can cook, me can do look makeup, me sell jewelry. As a matter of fact, Instagram, guys, find me on Instagram. All the little things them, stainless steel, earring on them, something there. You want bling? This necklace is from my store. This is from my store as well. Lashes, and this is my Mamacita lashes. It's also from my store, right? So the watch as well from my store. So I don't like, it's gonna be hard, this COVID thing, and especially because when all know say them some here with me I sell, them not really sell that much right now, because indoors I keep, outdoor not keeping, and have not been keeping for a while. But at the end of it all, people still are going Julie when COVID done. If any are we left, right? No, that's just kidding, guys. That's just kidding. But yeah, I'm a mom, I'm a grandmom, I'm a daughter, I'm a sister, I'm a spiritual person, I'm God's child, and it's hard to put a damper on God's child, right? So guys, at the end of it all, I just want you to take this from this, what I'm saying today. Changes come. Life will throw us some big rocks, stone, or just some little pebbles. But there'll be ripples and there'll be waves along life's journey, and we just have to know how to deal with them. Right? We can't just dwell on them. We can't make it break us. We have to just look at it as a blessing and a lesson to make us stronger. So let's get stronger, guys. Let's start being entrepreneurs. Let's move out of the age when a job is what we're supposed to get, and let's be our own bosses, so that at the end of it all, when someone needs to go, it's never you. Keep safe, guys. COVID is real. Do what you know that you're supposed to do. You sanitize regularly, wash your hand with soap and water regularly. You wear your mask everywhere you're going. Don't invite nobody at your yard. Invitation to yard nah keep. You're not too gone away, and you're not rub up with nobody. And make sure say, yeah, ensure say 6 feet apart, 6 meters apart, 3 meters apart, something like that. Just social distance. You don't want to hug nobody, and nobody and too much around a friend and right now. If you don't see bro God, a heel in a parliament, a elbow. So we're going to just keep it to the elbow. We're going to keep safe in the COVID, and we're going to come out stronger after quarantine. We'll come back stronger after COVID. When COVID is gone, once we are here, once we have life, we give God thanks for life, and we just push forward again and forge in faith, because God are God, and God bigger than COVID. Alright? So guys, thank you for joining me today, and have yourself an amazing rest of your day from Chef Nix. And remember to subscribe to my channel for that bomb content, and to hit the notification bell so that you can see when it is that I post again. For my recipes, those are gonna be out on a Tuesday and on a Tuesday and Thursday, yeah. Because I'm going into this full time now for the next couple of months, because I don't have no work, right? So I need your support. So go ahead, subscribe, watch my videos, guys. Try to watch them all to the end if you can. They're not that long anyway, so just give it a look of support. And thank you guys for making it Chef Nix recipe, and have yourself a blessed evening.